Happy morning to everyone. Welcome back to the new sessions of data visualization series. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about the bar graph as we learned line graph in the last sessions. So bar graph is also one of the technique to represent data in the form of bar, right? So let's understand, as you know, in the last class, we have learned about different methods, like how we can use PLT to plot the data, how we can use show method to show the data. Again, this is the virtual bar graph. This is the some images of bar graph. Like we need to represent the data in the form of bar, or we can say horizontal or vertical columns, right? This is called bar graph. Now suppose you are having a group of people and you need to find out the interest of that people, like how many people like apples, how many people like bananas, how many people like oranges, how many people like grapes. You need to represent this data in the form of bar graph, right? So here will be the output, right? So let's create this one in our software, which is Loom. So here what I'm doing, let's create some fruits. Let's suppose I'm taking orange. Here I'm taking a banana, or here I'm taking, let's suppose, lemon. Like here I'm taking these three fruits, and here I'm taking count, which is the quantity, and quantity, suppose orange quantity is 30, banana quantity is 10, and lemon quantity is 5. So we need to represent this data. So first what I'll do, I'll write plt dot. Now first you have to create the bar. So here let's suppose if I'm taking plt dot bar, and here I'll pass two argument, which fruits comma, next one is the count. Let's see, suppose if I run this code, what will happen if I run this. Sometimes first because we are like working on web editor, so first it will save the changes and then it will display the output for you, right? So just yeah, now you can see here is the output. So here you can see oranges, the count of oranges is 30 as per our data, the oranges of banana is 10 as per our data, and the like count of lemon is 5 as per our data. Now here you can see there is nothing written in this x-axis and y-axis. We need to label the name of this x-axis and y-axis also. Let's see how we can do. So for that you have to write down plt dot x label. So here I'll give the label for x. X is the name of fruits. So here I'll write name of fruits, and again for y I'll write plt dot y label, and here I'll just write down the name, which is count, right? See, again if I run this one, so here you can see now there is a label. So this x-axis represent name of fruits and y-axis represent count. So with the help of x label and y label, you can also label the name of this particular x-axis and y-axis also, right? So this is how we can represent data in the form of bar graph, right? Now just try to do one thing. Let's take some examples. Let's create some data by your own and try to represent both line graph and bar graph in a single chart, right? So that you can also understand how we can represent multiple kind of graph in a single graphical manners, right? So this is all from this class. I'll see you in the next class. Till now, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.